डोक्यावर लावायचंय का? आरसा दाखवा. पक्की वेबसाईट करू टाकतात. त्यामुळे मी मीठ लावते. सॉरी. I'll tell you how it's to be done.
Okay. थोडस मध्ये आलं पाहिजे. बस बरोबर मस्त.
पुढे मागे गेलं पाहिजे. मागावून पुढे आलं की नाही ठीक आहे. वा हॅट सारखं. Now right? You have to go from forward backwards. Otherwise, here start coming forward. आले बरोबर. अजून तरी मला नाही वाटत. सांगा दर एकदा आलं बरोबर. वाटतं बरोबर की नाही? हा ना, आता बरं वाटतं. आता वाटलं का ग? केस नको दिसायला. मगाशी बरं होतं.
नाही पण चांगलं
नाही आवडत. बरं हे जरा जास्त आहे ना समोर म्हणून.
पुढेच असं बरोबर नाही. पुढेच करायचं.
Is it all right for you people? ते काढून घ्या वाटलं. एक काढून टाका. जरा जास्तच दिसतंय. Just hold it. This is rather a big one. I say just a minute. I'll take it.
त्याच्यातनं कापायचं का?
सोपं आहे काप. माझ्या हातात आहे ना कापते सर. माळ सुद्धा तुटली जराशी. हार
बांधला नव्हता का हार वाटत.
गुलाबाच्या फुलांचं जमत नाही मला वाटतं.
नाही 2-4 प्रकारचे फुलं आहेत ना काहीतरी. 2-3 प्रकारची फुलं आहेत म्हणून म्हणते.
Hold it, huh? I'll just put it right. Just hold it. हे जरा.
हार बांधते.
हार तुटला.
सुटून आला.
आरामात. कृष्णाच्या राज्यात जे होईल ते कमी सुधारायचं. कृष्ण लीला आहे ना इथे. आता बरं दिसेल कदाचित. वाकडं थोडस. कृष्णाच्या साम्राज्यात सरळ काहीच नसतं. This is Krishna's country, you see. It has to be everything upside down. बरं आहे आता बरं आहे एका साईडला. बिग प्रॉब्लेम.
दोरी आहे घट्ट बांधते. हेवी झालाय हा.
गुलाबाच्या फुलांचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. येईल बरोबर. बसा काला हात. आता पायाचं बरोबर आहे. आता फुलं वाहून घ्या पायाच्या खाली. Let me see. Now it's better? आता बरं आहे. काय जरा जास्त झालं का? शिपतासारखं नाही दिसलं पाहिजे.
नाही तर नाही
हा?
दिसत.
वर बरं आहे. वरती घेतलं की बरं दिसतं. वेणीसारखं दिसेल. झालं ना? वेणीसारखं दिसतंय आता. नाही अरे
चांगलं दिसतं. हा.
There's one little flower upside down.
Which one?
हा yes, it's better idea. Put it that way. I look like a red Indian lady. Inca style. All right. कुंकू द्या. पायाखाली घाला म्हणजे पाय त्याच्यावर ठेवायला बरं. घालून टाक. आता just prepare the आरती. श्रीकृष्णाच्याला 3 हे लावते. बरं झालं. ठीक आहे. आरती करून घ्या.
आरती ओटी भरली. ओटी भरायची.
हां
ओटी नारळाची.
ओटी भरून घ्या. हां चालेल. ते चांगलं आहे. आता काय कपडा द्या. नारळ आणि हे धरा. आता तांदूळ आणखी सोडायला पाहिजे त्याच्यात. ही खरी ओटी. बाकी थोडंसं हात लावून घ्या. आणखी काय सगळ्या बायकांना घालायची तर घाला. चला काय मला
थोडे थोडे तांदूळ तू घाल ओटीत. थोडे
घाला. त्या बायकांना घ्या. बोलवा.
एक एकदम जड होईल.
नाही ना त्याला हे पाहिजे.
तांदूळ
अक्षता पाहिजे.
तांदळाचे like this.
Both hands.
With both hands like this.
तुला माहिती आहे. सगळ्या झाल्या का? झालं. बोलून घ्या त्यात. बाकी कमला थोड़ा Somebody should take a full photograph.
Shadow. Shadow. Somebody's getting the light.
I hope you get some miraculous photographs. आरती कुठे
आरती घे. I need something to read. आरती.
तिकडे ठेवले आरती आज जळेल तुमचा तो ताट घ्या मोठं ताट घ्या एक मोठं ताट मोठं ताट हे घ्या त्याच्यात हे रिकामं करून नाही हे ताट आणि ते फळं त्याच्यात तू घेऊन ये बेटा खाली ठेवू आणि नमस्कार करायचा.
ज्या स्थळी मन जाय माझे त्या स्थळी निज रूप तुझे मी ठेवितो मस्तक ज्या ठिकाणी असू दे त्या ठिकाणी.
बघा कुंडलिनी बघा बघा कशी चढ़ते जस्ती जस्ती बात तुम्हारे भी नाभि पकड़ा ही देवीची ओळख इसके नाभीला बंधन दे उलटी कर उलटी कर ठीक आहे काढून टाक ह्याला बंधन देवला सांगतो देव जस्ट गिव बंधन दे ते गळीने जस्ट anti clockwise. No. There. As she's being done. सगळ्यांची जरा कुंडलिनी बघून टाक. चला बघ. जस्ट बाव डाऊन. लेट्स सी. त्याची कुंडलिनी बघा. Keep bowing down. We want to see your kundalini. Actually, नसते. या मुलीमुळे तर नसणार. बरं आहे आता बरं आहे ना हलत नाही ठीक आहे हलते अजून हां हलते असं असं फिरून घ्या असं उलट पुढे पुढे वर आणि असं खाली टाकून झालं सॉरी now you try on just काय आहे ठीक हां डावी स्वादिष्टा आधी आवाज मा सेंटर हार्ट hold it tight hold बरं आहे त्यांचं बरं आहे प्लीज ऑर्डर कारण ठीक वाटतो नाभि पकड़ आ रही तो लिवर फेल हो रहा है शायद से Just see his kundalini at navi. Just bow down. Is he all right? Left side is not doghana. You come now. त्याला त्याचं पुढे आणून जरा उठ बंधन दे हा यू आर ऑल राईट त्याला उठ यू आर ऑल हे कोण डॅनी देव अच्छा डॅनीला पण बघून टाक एव्हरीबडी लेट अस सी आय मीन इट्स बेटर टू वॉच इट कम now with 1 minute. I want to see everybody's good. It's good. That's ठीक आहे. त्याचं काय नाव? Doug, you are all right. You are all right. But in the Vishuddhi, a little bit. All right, now let's see one by one. बघा याचं कसं काय? याचं ठीक आहे. काय? नाभीला Just put both the hands forward. तुम्ही बघा डॉक्टर, तिची कुंडलिनी बघा. कुठे आहे बघा, हात असा फिरून बघा हिच्यासारखा. कळेल तुम्हाला. बघा कुठे पकड येते, खालीच आहे पकड. लेफ्टला बघा. आहे बघा, लागेल हाताला लागलं पाहिजे. बरोबर कळलं पाहिजे. बरोबर. पुढे चला. गार येते का?
एवढी नाही. हाताला आहे पण इकडे नाही.
ह्या हाताला येते. इकडे गरम आहे ना, म्हणजे नाहीच आहे मग. आता बघा चढते की नाही. जशी हीच कुंडली आला. ठीक आहे. त्याचं बरोबर, ह्याचं नाही ठीक. हिचं बघ, ती चढतच नाही. हा बघ व्हायब्रेशन. हा डावीकडे संबंध पकड आहे म्हणून तुम्हाला
सगळं टिंगलिंग आहे.
सगळं टिंगलिंग आहे डावीकडे. भयंकर टिंगलिंग आहे. त्यात प्रॉब्लेम आहे. वाटलंच मला. तुम्ही पण या, तुम्हाला पाहून टाकतो. ठीक आहे. आज्ञा पे देखो पीछे हाथ. All right. No, left is not all right. कोण आहे तो? मायकल. तो बघा वर आलं का हे चक्र हे धरलेलं आहे. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Leave it. वरची चक्र धरलेले बघा. ते मणके उठले आहेत ना, ते चक्र धरले. तुम्ही तुम्हाला दृष्टीला दिसतात बघा. तुमच्या हाताखाली हात हलवा बघा. हाताला लीव इट. खालचे सुद्धा, खाली सुद्धा, आणखी खालून आहेत बघा. असं ओढून बघा, ते वर उठलेले दिसतील मणके. हे बघा, हे सगळं हे सगळे सरळ झाला पाहिजे.
पण लेफ्ट साइड
नाभी आहे. ऑल राइट. आर यू ऑल राइट? Let's see. Started now. क्या हुआ इनका? You are perfectionist, all of you. He himself is a perfectionist. झाला? लेफ्ट वर पकड़ा रहे. आठला कशी पकडायला?
Yeah. Clear. Very good.
झाला.
फार एकदम सुंदर.
वाह, खूप जोरून छान. worry. Nothing to worry. Stand now, alright? Sit down. Sit down. Are you alright? My. Hold it there. Hold your breath for a minute. Leave it now. You are cutting very much in the heart. You come here. This lady. Yes, you come here. She's cutting on the center heart. Now, hold it. आता हिचं बघा. बसा. Sit down. Now bow. जरा पदर तिचा हलवून बघा. ते काढून घ्या. पदर काढलेला बघा. Leave it. पदर असा पूर्ण हलवून घ्या म्हणजे दिसेल. सरकून घ्या असा पदर वरती नको म्हणजे दिसत नाही ना कुंडली तर दिसत. सेंटर हार्ट आहे तिथे. बघा ना कुंडलिनीला बघा कशी हलते. Wide head. Wide head. She's been to some gurus?
Yes,
You have been?
I did the S training.
Huh?
I did the S training and I did
What training?
studied EST
Oh,
and tarot and I
Toral?
tarot.
Tarot cards, you mentioned.
Huh?
Tarot cards.
I don't know what.
The tarot cards,
Fortune telling cards.
divination cards.
What else?
It's called Builders of the Aditum was the name of the group.
Builders of the
Aditum.
atom.
I think it's a Greek word.
Center heart like that. Hold your breath, please. Leave it. Again hold your breath. Leave it. Again hold your breath. Pakistan keवढं धरलेलं. Are you better now? Leave it. How are you?
Left Agia, mother.
Huh?
Left Agia.
Left Agra. Are you alright? Is she alright? See her vibration. Just to work it out on her left. Left is problematic. सेंटर हार्टला फरक पडेल. या उसको काय गं All right. What's the kind of?
Diana.
Yeah?
Diana.
Also somehow. Have you got one like that? Smaller one? तसा दिवा असता तर विचार बसायला सांगा. Are you all right now?
Yes, she was.
You got caught up with others. Don't get worried. Nothing to worry. आता फार उंच आहे ते. It's all right पण हा लावून तिला असा बसायला सांग इकडे. बाकी झाले सगळे तुमचं नाही बघितलं मी. सुनीताला बघा या बेटा.
सुनीता जाऊ नका आता बघू.
सगळ्यांचं बघून टाका.
या.
इकडे ठेवायचं.
जय गुरु, नमस्कार करा. इकडे.
उत्तम. काय बघायला फर्स्ट क्लास. हा. Right hand. Move it that side. Left hand. Why do you wear so many things? Just now take it down. झालं त्यांचं काय विचार. त्यांनी सगळ्यांना बांधावं. व्हेरी गुड, एक्सलंट. आता तुम्ही या, बघून टाकतो. चला राव तुम्ही. Little this side. Move the light little this side. Put it on. काय? लेफ्ट डावी. तुम्हारा क्या हाल? पटकर लेफ्ट डावी धरली स्वतःची. और अपना जो पकड़ता है सो वो भी तो देखो, इतका सेन्सिटिव्ह आहे तसा तो करंट. दूसराचं पटकन त्याच्या शरीरात धरतो. पर अपना भी तो नाभि खराब हो गया है. आपका लिवर खराब हो रहा है. केयरफुल रहिए. हावी जी काय लेफ्ट स्वादिष्टान धरलं तेच मी म्हटलं. फिरवून घ्या, उलट फिरवा. तरी पुष्कळ कमी आता, पण ते लेफ्ट स्वादिष्टाने त्रास होता. Better? How many days you did that?
It was quite a while ago, and I don't remember.
Not for a long time. About how many years?
I'd say I wandered around reading things and looking in the wrong place for maybe 5 or 6 years.
Put it next to the light. Higher. Facing the light, yeah. In between you have to hold your breath. Ha, काय? सुटलं? Higher? काढून टाकू. ऐसे सोच विचार में मत जाया करोगे, नहीं तो वो बीवी का भूत बन जाएगा तुम्हारे सर पे. वो सब मजाक था, बस ये समझना चाहिए मजाक था. जो काम था हमने कर लिया, हो गया. परीक्षा ही थी, समझ लो. हाँ, good. You're all right now. All right? What happens in Vancouver?
Lots of rain.
Must meditate regularly. That's the way. Now, let's see. Is it Aga? Patricia ही आमच्या ह्याच्यातली आहे.
इंग्लंड.
त्याला काय बघायला नको. उत्तम आहे. He's from a very strict ashram. Bala the Great. You are perfectly all right. You are all right. तिला काय बघा. No problem. Well. Allah is coming here like Hanumana to America very soon. But you see, when he starts all correcting and all that, is all right. But then sometimes he gets so tired that he becomes a complaint master, you know. Isn't he?
Yes,
So I've told you, next time you don't complain to me about anyone. Otherwise, you get through the week. Now he's done. All right, he's done. Excellent. तिचा नवरा मला तो हळू दाखव, मला विसरलेला आहे नंतर. ते काय झाले ना. बरं all right, all right, come along. You are perfectly all right. Yes. Acha, now come along. You want me to see you again, Alan?
That's all right.
That's all right.
Perfectly all right. So, very good. This side. उजव्या साइड. गावी करणं होती. काम काय करता?
जॉब नाही. ड्रायव्हरचं काम करतो पण सध्या जॉब नाही.
टिकवत पण नाही. टिकवत नाही का?
जॉब टिकवत नाही. जॉब टिकवत नाही. तुम्ही ते चेंजला सांगितलं ना.
बघा. Godfrey, you have to now stick on to your job, all right? It goes from right to left, right to left. That's not good, huh? Just try my trick. Button घालून छान आहे. Yeah, I think you'll be all right. But you see, your heart catching, all that is because if you start changing jobs, it works on your, put your hands towards it. त्याचं लग्न नाही झालेलं. काय ना
जेम्स ब्रू.
कुठून इथलाच आहे.
आता सध्या सांताक्रूज. येस. सांताक्रूज.
असं सांता तिथे काम खूप होण्याचा. हां ठीक. You are all right, James, and despite Santa Cruz. May God bless you. I'm really very happy about it. I didn't know you were there in Santa Cruz. That's something I'm very much worried about. May God bless you. I'm very happy that you are there. Something is working out. It's good. You're very good.
So I should stay
Santa
in
Cruz otherwise to be. Huh?
I should stay in Santa Cruz?
Yes, I think so. You can. Very few people can without catching. May God bless. अभी भूतानचा बाजार आहे.
Yeah.
Now who else? Everybody has been. तुझं बघा. ठीक आहे.
छान आहे.
ठीक आहे. मी निघाले. तुम्हाला किती वाजता जायचं?
नाही आता जायला तुम्हाला एरियाला घेऊन जाऊन एअरपोर्टवर ठेवायला लागेल ना. दुपारचं प्लेन गेलं तुमचं.
हां झालं. चला आता हे रात्रीच आहे ना.
रात्रीचं 11:30.
मग वेळ आहे. मग काहीतरी जेवण जाऊ. जेवण जाऊ.
Mother's flight.
चला व्यवस्थित झाला आज.
Yeah,
म्हणजे काय सगळ्यांची कुंडली बघितली म्हणजे फार छान.
that's right.
Tonight from LA.
इथे असतो का?
11:30. So we should reach about.
फार शाणी आहे.
People's Express current toll give lot of problems, so we better call them whether somebody will be there to issue the
छान
ticket.
उत्तर व्हेरी
Or
गुड
else ticket can
एक्सलंट.
be picked up here, airport San Diego.
They don't fly from here.
No, oh I see. So they won't write the ticket here. So we'll have to
Have to
go.
go there.
But
We
we should
can go
call
and
them
check
from
that
here.
ourselves.
Yeah, I know.
Because we are standing.
Calling and check them whether they issue the ticket during daytime, because sometimes nobody is there on their counter.
Now
So
I'm
we
actually
don't
feeling
have
my
no
catches more.
ticket.
better take out the lily if you can. Mine, all right, take it out doesn't matter. Better? That's how you can treat people, see? Ah, now. Correct. Left is also. Left navi. Left navi. काय? नाही आधी लग्न झालं होतं म्हणे ना.
नाही तसंच मुलं होती आणि आता लग्न करणार
त्याच माणसाची
त्याच माणसाशी ज्याच्याशी मुलं झाली.
म्हणून लेफ्ट नावी बस आलं ठीक आहे. यू आर ऑल राईट. हां ना बेटर.
Should I not wear the other ones? Should I not wear the other ones?
Better not. Sometimes your chakras are not all right.
Does that,
They give a pressure.
should I do this at home?
What?
Should I do this at home to work on?
Yes, that's what we did. हां चांगला आहे. उठा म्हणा. होय मला आणि हां किंवा नाभीला स्वादिष्ट आहे. काय काम करता? आर्टिस्ट आहे. रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये काम. हां
मॅनेजर रेस्टॉरंट
Very busy restaurant.
तुझं काय ना
गॅरी
Ah, so right, working in the restaurant also you can. Think that. Look at that. Look at that now. Ah, better. Isn't it?
Feels better with that.
बघा.
Feels better with that.
कसा? डावीकडनं उजवीकडे घाला. आत्ताच गेलं पाहिजे का हो एलेला? घाई तर नाही ना. रात्रीच जाऊ. संध्याकाळी जाऊ. कारण आता जरा आराम करतो माणसं. हा हाय
पण लग्न
आ आता नवरे शोधा तुम्ही. तुला मी कसा पटकन शोधला. I'm saying that you search a husband for her. Because I searched yours in no time. It was such a fast thing. This thing. Such a fast thing. Wasn't it? दीदी आहे का? तुला थोडस काहीतरी लावू दे मला पुढच्या वेळेला. बांधून द्या हाताला सगळं. टाईट up to their hands like this. Little bit. Yeah. वा 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 वा. त्या 2 दिवसात केवढे मोठे झालो आम्ही बघा बरोबर. माताजी आल्यापासून आम्ही केवढे मोठे झालो. किती मोठे झालो आम्ही माताजी आल्यापासून. 2 दिवसात आम्ही किती मोठे झालो. काय झालं काय? या इकडे. I think you just keep it. काय झोपा. अरे सर्व काय पाहिजे काय पाहिजे. फार जोरात काढून बांधलं. हलकं कसं गॅसेस आहे. हलकं बांधलं. जरा कमी करून दे. इतकं घट्ट नाही बांधायचं मुलाला. हलकं
तिला बदलायला सांगितलं.
आता बघ आता. काय झालं काय? काय झालं काय झालं? काय घेतलाय का? काय निघालं बघा. ग्रँडमदर इकडे बघा. काय पाहिजे तुम्हाला? सगळं खायला पाहिजे. आज सगळं काही इकडे बघा. किती वेळ झाली? हो हो रडत नाही आम्ही. या सांभाळ. मान सांभाळायची आणि इथून उचललं पाहिजे मुलांना. हात भरून नाही उचलायचं. Hello? Everybody has got it? Come for. Let's see. Are you alright now? Better?
Yes.
Better now. This is what. So, that's all right. Now, easy. Left. Right. Ah. Ah. Right? How is he? Iggy. It's the other baby. Where is he? Sean. Sean, come here. I wanted you to come and make me wear this. You have to make it good. You're all right now. Now, Sean, you have to put this in my neck. It's getting size. Now, this one is not getting size. Now, let me have it. This one doesn't feel shy. Oh. This one doesn't. You are crying, so you also cry. She's also. See now, they have done the puja, they have done everything for me. You have done nothing. Sean, you have to put some. Alright, don't disturb. They are sleeping.
Mother, I was wondering, did you name her Narasimha or Narasimhi?
You put Narsimha? Who gave her name? Where was it?
In New York, at the Krishna Puja last year.
Narsimhini.
Narasimhini? Narasimhini.
I gave you the name. She was born. When was she born?
On July the 5th.
That's why, because she is a Dio.
No, a Cancer.
You can give her another name also. Oh, simple. That's the power of goddess. Oh. You can call her Kesar. Kesar. Kesar means the power of the lion. Kesar. Kesar. Kesari means the lion. The Kesar is the power of lion. Same thing as Narasana. That's easier. Kesar. Now look at her.
Mother, would you tell me how to spell it so I know?
Kesar.
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 Thank you.
All right. Have something more. Whatever you want, Sean. What do you want? Sean. What do you want to have? You want to have this? Which one you want to eat? Which one you like? You have it. Whatever. Chala झालं मग उठू आम्ही आता. Everybody has been. Hello. Come along, come. What do you want? All right. Let him have something. All like grapes.
You want some?
Yeah. So let's see. You have to bow. She has to still come. Yeah. What about you? You haven't.
Oh.
So sweet. He's shy, that's all. He's excellent. Sean is excellent. Very beautiful. Excellent. See now. Now slowly open the eyes. He's shy. ते काय ह्याचं चांगलं आहे तसं म्हणा चवीला. काय आहे का?
Butter, butter.
बारूद.
Butter.
Huh?
Butter.
You made it?
Yes, ma'am.
You made it here?
Yes, madam.
Really? Great. छान आहे ना. ठीक आहे. सॉरी. Good. May God bless you. Come along. Now let me see. Are you all right now? Not yet. I think you sit more comfortably. You're very tight. Be comfortable. That's important. And now let's see. What's the matter? His left side is so tight today. Left Agnya is still there. And right Swadhisthana, heart, feet, chakras. Now come along. Do it. You put this light on his back. Yeah. And now you put both your hands towards me like this. The light, you take it in your hand. That one. Pick the one that is before. Now she's all right. She's all right. You're all right. May God bless you. You're all right. Now, who else? She's left. Two here. In Marathi also we say I is me. I. अत्युत्तम. उठा. Better. Now. Rebecca.
Sri Lalita.
Huh?
Sri Lalita.
Sketching. Put right hand on the Mother Earth. Ah. She's all right. You are all right. Come. Now you grow up fast. You have to give realization. All right. She's all right. You are all right. You come along now. You have been. All of you? No, fine. Heart. Right Swadhisthana. Left Swadhisthana. Heart. Both sides. Heart.
Ouch. You have a beard on.
Combination is one, left, right, Swadhisthana and heart. Center heart now. काय नका जेव्हा वरती जाते मी. हा. Hold your breath. You like that. She likes that. Huh? Better? Better. No, better. Better, but she has to work. Hello? Work it out. Because it's a funny combination. Left Swadhisthana, right Swadhisthana, heart. And Swaslala. E-G-O. As simple as that. Brahmata, right? Now, what you do is to put right hand or swing left hand up. Let's see one by one. Are you better now? Still the left is catching. Why don't you both get some lemon and chilies? Would be a good idea. What have you been doing? I don't know what you've been doing. I just don't understand. You had right side, but just left you didn't have? Left arm. Yeah.
Left boy.
Very hectic work. Yeah. That way you are much better. Left arm is alright, but left Swadhisthana actually. That is your psychology.
All schools.
You meditate. See, I just thought that right-sidedness could be done in a place where it is quieter, so that your speed at least should come down first. And then it will be.
It's come down a lot.
Huh?
It's come down a lot.
Just put down yourself. I don't do anything, you should say. Alright? Put it everything into the hands of God. Still there?
Left boy.
Better now. Where is the card?
Sure, Nataji.
Wow.
We have
What's that?
a gift for puja for you from all of us.
Gift.
Yes.
Thank you. What's this? Two things not allowed.
This one.
What's that? You must see the gift. That is his trick. I tell you, I was buying what. So we quarreled for quite some time. Not easy to win over Mr. Danny. But this one is a trick you played. This one is. This one was tricky. For the other two is alright, but this one was tricky. It's a beautiful piece though, isn't it?
There's a magnet, Sri Mataji. You have to line them up.
Huh?
Just 2 magnets. Magnet.
These are magnets.
Yeah, there's a magnet like this inside of the bag.
Very good. Mother, come in now. Take suitcase and if you get a suitcase, then you can keep all these things.
Yes, Sri Mataji.
Instead of a box.
Same thing about those boxes that you came with. You know, when you went from Los Angeles, you had some big boxes of things. When you bought all the things from the ashram, then you had some other boxes left over.
You see that if you put it
Put it in a suitcase and give it to Ursula. Or put it in a box and give it
No,
to them?
he was saying, doctor was saying he has got a box which he'll vacate it. But so far they have not telephoned these people.
Which one's humanity?
Yeah, he's worried about that. All right now. Better? Are you better? I think first the financial situation should improve, then you'll be okay. I think if you really go to Mexico, that will make some money also. And she's also very clever. Thank God. But to establish, how will they do it suddenly? They have to ask the government here to employ them or something.
No, not necessarily. There are ways and means in which, like if she would start teaching, for instance, she can teach English or something, and usually the schools, they
But there
themselves
is no
fix it.
job problem there.
No, not for skilled people. There's
Mm.
no. It's only for unskilled.
All right. That's a good idea. They got that. I don't know how also his boss is. Might be he's caught up with his boss or something. How is he?
Terrible.
Ah, that's it.
Garam's uncle.
You're not so bad.
It's Garam's uncle.
I know. I heard. Must be him. So better change him now. As he says, they can find out something for you. Better try. Because that will bring down her speed also, I think. Because your country is very moving slowly. Yeah. It's a very speedy place also. America is extremely speedy. Those who have no speed can come here. So those who have speed should get out of this. First I thought it would be nice if you go to New York, but New York is no land.
Of course.
I thought it won't suit. So if it could be arranged in Mexico, nothing like that. Once they are all right, then there's no problem. Once they are balanced. Both are caught up. And they are good people there. They are nice. They are not horrible people in that country. Except for this black magic they do, which can be corrected. Slowly they'll be all right. Things are so much cheaper there, so much cheaper.
And a lot of things are handmade. A lot of things are handmade.
Handmade, yes, that's also a good thing compared to machine made. So, all right, thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you for the purse. May God bless you.
बोलो जगत माता श्री निर्मला देवी की जय। आदि माया माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय। श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय की जय की जय। जय श्री माता जी। जय श्री माता जी।
Now, as you have given me purse, you must have lots of money there. In this ashram, you must get lots of money. So far, nobody gave me a purse for your information.
We should
This
maybe
is the
put
first time.
$1 in it, Mother.
Huh?
$1 for auspiciousness. We should have put $1 in.
Oh, it's a good idea.
We
$1
could-
only.
That's for luck.
$5.
I mean, for auspiciousness.
$1.
What would you like us to do with the puja money?
Huh?
This is the puja money.
No. This is the puja money?
Yes, mother.
No, this you give it in the general puja there, when they have it, huh? Now I have got this purse, that's all. One, you don't have $1. All right. हे नको हे नाही कशाच पण आता घातलं नाही but he's given 21 now. He's another difficult person. All right. Now what I'm saying that this puja money, whatever you've got, you count it and put it in a packet. Give it to me. In the general puja money, we'll put it, but from your side. All right? Because the real puja is going to be there. It's It's of course a real puja too. Today was a great puja, but the Krishna puja we are going to have there. So thank you very much. It's rather smart for me. This time, 4 purses I've got luckily. चला
आणि याला पण मी करतो कन्फर्मेशन त्याचं आलं तर ताबडतोब फोन करा.
You must give Bandhan to that gentleman.
Tomorrow briefing.
Bigger. Collective pen. We should all phone him at different times, asking when Shrimadaji will be coming on. So we can watch.
Put it in the audience.